from the title, we're gonna be doing a very affordable, very simple, sexy, smoky eye look. As you can see on my face, it's looking pretty nice. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a very affordable smoky eye look. It's very easy too. And I'm gonna be sharing little tips and tricks, so you don't wanna miss it. And if you wanna see how I did this look, you should continue watching. As you can see, I already have my base on. By base, I mean my foundation, my powders, my bronzer, my blush, my eyebrows, so we could save some time and get on to the eye makeup. This is what you're here for, right? And if you want to know what I wear on my face as my base, you should go to this video that I will link here. If it's up already, then I will link it in the description down below, and in this eye area you will see the link right now. I was testing a new product, maybe not that new, but it was new for me, and I'm sure it will be very new for you. I was testing a foundation, so I think it should be very interesting. If you want to know my opinions on this foundation, you should go to see this video, and we shall continue to the eye makeup, so let's go. So to start this eye look, I want to use this Essence All About Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I think every single one of you have this palette in their pharmacies, and it's very affordable. It has 8 shades of nude eyeshadows, and I think I'm gonna start with those 2 in the middle. It doesn't really matter, you should just have your own favorite blending eyeshadow that you go with in your crease to blend out your products. And I'm gonna take these 2 just because my skin tone is more on the cooler side, the neutral, the cool side, and that's why I'm gonna go with these 2. I'm just gonna mix them. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, a little bit of this, like something like this, and I'm just gonna put them in the crease and blend them up. So now we have our transition shade, and it's blended pretty well. It's looking good. This is actually a really great dupe for those naked palettes that they had at first when everybody was so crazy about nude shades. So this one is pretty good. You should just try it. So now, as we have our transition shade, I'm gonna move on to a pencil, also from Essence. It's a very affordable and pretty good brand that you can find everywhere now. Even in Israel we have this now. Finally, they actually brought their products to Israel like a year ago. Pretty great. Before that, I was buying Essence in Europe when we were going to Europe, so I would just buy like half of the things that they had there, so I could use it here. This is the 1 in 2 eyeshadow and liner, which is waterproof, and this is in the shade 06. She's got the mauve. It's a mauvey shade pencil, jumbo pencil. They are really great. If you have no time, you just can put it on your lid, smudge it a little bit with your fingers, and you're good to go. This is a great thing to have like in your purse if you want to do your makeup on the go, even in the bus, in the car, I don't know. You just toss it on your lid, blend it with your finger, and it looks great. This is a great shade that actually will go well with every skin tone. Just looks great on everybody. It's a very natural, like grayish mauvey tone. Let's just put this on and blend it. So these pencils are really soft and pigmented and really easy to use. As I said, you can even just put it on by itself, and this color is gorgeous. It looks good on everybody and it's easy to blend. As you can see, I'm not doing a lot, it just blends pretty well into our transition color. Actually, it's already a pretty beautiful smoky eye look, and I like it. I would go out like this, and you can stop here and just put some mascara, some lipstick, and just go out. This is pretty easy, but I want to bring some more color, more dimension to this look. I actually put this pencil on my eyelid as a base for the next colors, so it will make them stay longer, and this is actually a pretty great trick to do. If you don't have an eye primer, you just put some eye pencil in the same shade or maybe close shades to your eyeshadow, and it will look great, it will stay pretty well. So now from the same eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna go with the darkest color here. This one, I'm gonna take this pencil brush, smaller brush, doesn't matter, you're just gonna blend it anyways, but I just want to concentrate in the outer corners of your eyelid. So we'll bring some dimension to the eye and make it look a little bit bigger. One darker color, and it looks, I think it looks so great. And this is very simple, right? We actually have another one small step. And I was looking at those palettes that I showed you in my $1 makeup video, and these are so gorgeous and they are so creamy. As I said, you should really try those for $1. What do you have to lose? This is the Clean Color Beautician Lab, and this one is an Scenty Shadow Palette, Silky Touch and Shadow. Oh, sorry, Silky Touch 6 Shadows. So these are really good. They are all shimmery. So you can actually choose any color of these. Just put it in the inner corner of your eyelid and on the middle of your eyelid. I'm gonna put two colors actually. I'm gonna mix them a bit. And at first, I want to use this gray color. Yes, gray. It will look so cool. I hope so. So I'm just gonna go with my finger and put it in on my lid, sorry. Okay, this looks so cool, but it's a little bit darker than I want it to be, so that's why I'm gonna go with another color. Just wait and see. I think it's already looking pretty cool. And actually using your fingers is always the easiest way. Not for me, just because I have those nails, but for anyone who starts to use a little bit more color, maybe wants to try more shimmery shades and just doesn't know how to do this, finger is the way to go, really. It's the easiest way to apply shimmery and metallic eyeshadows. And from this palette, I want to go with this shade. It looks like gray and it has a little bit of purple in it. And I'm just gonna put it over the darker gray. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. Take it with my finger and put it over to make it a little bit lighter. So yeah, the eyeshadows are done. As you can see, it looks really cool. And I'm just gonna put some mascara. And I'm gonna use this one again. This is the Essence Volume Stylist 18 Hours Curl and Hold Mascara. And this is actually holding the curl really well. If you are one of those girls that has straight eyelashes that don't want to curl up, that don't hold their curl, I hear you, just because I have the same damn problem. I don't know why people don't talk about this, but this mascara holds your curl so good, and it actually curls your lashes by itself. It's like it's pulling them up and they stay there. It's amazing! You will see the difference, because if you look at my lashes right now, you may not even see them, just because they covered in eyeshadows a little bit, but they are really straight and they won't curl. So yes, this is the finished eye look, and I think you can see my lashes, definitely. You might say right now,
are you crazy? You didn't put any eyeliner?
See, that's why exactly you can see my lashes, because I am really used to doing a really bold, big eyeliner looks. That's why you don't see my lashes. It's just it covers most of my lash, and when you don't put any eyeliner, people can see them. This is another tip from me to you. I actually did the same look, just with different palettes, like a couple of days ago. It looks very, I don't know, it looks kind of difficult, as if you were doing a lot of stuff on your eyes, but actually, as you saw, it's very easy, and the combination of those colors looks very, I don't know, luxurious, and I may say even rich, I think, but you may think what you want. I think the eye look is beautiful. Now we're just gonna put some lipstick on and we're good to go. So as you know, lip glosses are making a comeback right now. I bought this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look lip gloss. This is a very neutral, nudie shade. It will suit every look actually, and I think it will look so good with this eye look. But first, I want to put this matte long-lasting lip gloss from Essence also. I think the combination of those two colors looks so cute, and you will just see in a second.
You should know that I don't really like those kind of colors. They look so freaking funny on me. I don't think they look good. This is a like pink bubblegum Barbie color that I don't really like. With this lip gloss, it should look much more calm and more suitable. But if you like those kind of combinations, it's fine too.
So now I think it looks much better, and this color really suits my eye look, don't you think? It still has this pink Barbie tone to it, but it looks a little bit more sophisticated when it has this more neutral tone over it, and I think it looks really cool. And you should know that I didn't put a lip gloss in years, and now I think it looks really nice.
You should know that those lip glosses, they smell so good. They smell like candy, but I can't put my finger on it. I don't really know which candy. Those jelly candy. I don't know how to call them. I don't remember how you call them.
As you can see, I used a lot of really affordable products that you can buy for $1, and it looks awesome. I'm so impressed. It has a little bit of everything, but in the end it's really soft and pretty neutral. It turned out really well, and if you also like this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Ew, my hair. Okay.
I think it looks great. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think? I really want to know how it looks on the camera. I think it looks awesome. I see myself in the viewfinder and I just can't stop looking at myself. As you can see, I was just all over the place, like all the video. I'm looking to the viewfinder and I love my hair.
Okay guys, if you liked this video, if you liked this makeup look, just give me a thumbs up, help a girl out, make me happy today. If you're new here, subscribe, it's free, and don't forget the notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. And we will see each other again in the next one. So I hope you're having a great day, and